And here, if your Stripe payout hasn't arrived, it can be worrying. Your money is missing, and you're not sure why. Yeah, this usually happens because of pending payouts, bank delays, or account verification issues. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe payouts that haven't arrived step by step. First, go to your Stripe dashboard and check the status of your payout. It might be pending, in transit, or failed. Knowing the status helps you figure out what to do next. Make sure your bank account is connected correctly and is active. Incorrect account details can cause payouts to fail or be delayed. Stripe uses automatic payout schedules. If your payout is scheduled for later, it might just be a timing issue. Unverified accounts can block payouts. Check your verification status and submit any required documents if needed. Sometimes Stripe places holds for security or compliance reasons. Review any alerts or notifications in your dashboard. If your payout still hasn't arrived after all checks, contact Stripe support. They can trace the payout and resolve the issue quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually helps fix missing Stripe payouts so your money reaches your bank without delays. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.